We made this an annual fixture in the calendar. We've been coming for the last 4 or 5 years, and it's a must come for us.
We're really happy to be here. We are this morning from Paris.
Just for the show.
The UK is that centre of AI growth.
We've got bigger speakers than we've ever had. We've got Louis Theroux opening our main stage today. We've got Professor Hannah Fry joining him on stage.
You get to be in the room with other people who are thinking the same things as you. They're my people, you know? I feel at home in an audience like this.
Well, the best thing about Tech Show London for me is just the fact that you get the entire tech industry in one place. The entire tech stack is right here on these 2 days.
We do a lot of shows globally, but really this one here in London is our flagship event. The quality of attendees is so high.
I came all the way from Florida myself. This is the place to come, meet with customers, meet with industry partners and leaders.
We've got experts here on storage, compute, networking, AI, services.
It's what about what's coming next to make sure they're at the forefront. If we get complacent, then we fall behind.
I think this really brings together the industry to present its best foot forward and have some meaningful conversations that move the industry along for better outcomes for everybody.
We've been having loads of really deep conversations with people, been learning loads about what people are trying to achieve and what they're doing. Everything technology is here.
This kind of platform allows us to really get into the ideas and the concepts and see where we can improve, where we can work together to do better.
Exercise for stimulating your intellect, opening your mind to new horizons, learn what's happening across, different industries.
Learning from other people's war wounds sometimes is a great opportunity.
Learn from others. What didn't go well? What could have been done better?
A great variety of speakers across different topics and different industries. Everyone is up to speed with what is bleeding edge and what the industry is doing right now.
Overwhelmed with excitement because I've learned a lot of things. Mingling here with the Women's in IT Network.
We have students from the University of East London, and this is the next generation of talent that are coming into the digital infrastructure community.
If you're in technology and if you believe in sustainable solutions and something that's game-changing, you have to be here.
We've already booked for next year an even bigger plot.
Tech Show 2027 is already in my diary for next year.
And dare I say 28 too.
See you next year.
Tech Show 2027.